The drone world has been waiting for something genuinely different, and today we might finally have that moment. This is the Antigravity A1, a drone that claims to completely change how we experience aerial footage. Not just another camera drone, not just another FPV machine, but the world's first 360 drone designed to let you fly first and decide the shot later. I spent time looking through everything this drone offers, from the 8K 360 video system to the futuristic vision goggles, and honestly, this might be one of the most interesting gadgets we have seen in a long time. If you enjoy detailed tech reviews like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button because it really helps support these videos and lets me bring you more futuristic tech. Starting right at the top, the Antigravity A1 is built around one major idea: freedom. Traditional drones force you to think like a pilot and a camera operator at the same time. You have to control the movement, aim the camera, predict the perfect angle, and hope you captured the moment. The A1 completely changes that with its 360 immersive flight system. Put on the vision goggles, look around naturally, and you can experience the world from a drone's perspective in every direction. It feels less like flying a machine and more like actually being inside the flight. The A1 introduces FreeMotion technology, which is one of the biggest highlights here. Instead of complicated controls, you simply point where you want the drone to go. Hold the grip controller, aim your direction, pull the trigger, and the drone follows your movement. This is designed for beginners who have never touched a drone before, but it also gives experienced pilots a completely new way to explore the sky. There is also FPV mode, where small wrist movements give you more traditional flight control. The vision goggles are a huge part of this experience. They weigh only around 340 grams, making them lightweight enough for longer sessions, and they use pancake optics with micro OLED displays. You get a wide field of view, high resolution per eye, HDR support, and an experience that feels like a giant screen right in front of you. The goal here is immersion, and the A1 is clearly built around making you forget you are looking through a headset. There is also a virtual cockpit mode, which adds a fun layer to flying. Instead of only seeing the normal drone view, you can transform the experience and feel like you are sitting inside a different world. It makes the drone feel less like a camera tool and more like a complete entertainment device. Whether you want a first-person view or third-person style flying, Antigravity is giving users multiple ways to enjoy the same hardware. One of the smartest features is Sky Path. You can create your flight path, let the drone follow it automatically, and even hand the goggles to someone else so they can experience the flight without needing to learn controls. It turns flying from a solo activity into something you can share with friends and family. The A1 is also surprisingly small. At only 249 grams with the standard flight battery, it stays extremely portable and lightweight. This means you can carry it almost anywhere without feeling like you are bringing a full professional drone setup. And despite the compact size, Antigravity has packed in a lot of technology. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where the A1 becomes really interesting. It captures 8K 360 video, meaning it records everything around the drone at once. You no longer need to decide the perfect angle while flying. You can capture first, then choose your view later during editing. This is the biggest advantage of a 360 drone. And because of the invisible drone design, the camera positioning and stitching technology make the drone disappear from the final footage. The lenses are placed strategically, and the software combines everything together so your videos look like they were captured from a floating camera in the air. This opens up a lot of creative possibilities for filmmakers, creators, and everyday users. The idea of fly first and frame later is honestly what makes this drone stand out. If you miss the perfect shot, you do not have to fly back and repeat the entire scene. You can simply reframe the footage afterward. One flight can create multiple camera angles, including forward shots, top-down views, side movements, and cinematic transitions. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this review, make sure you subscribe and like the video. It takes only a second, and it helps this channel continue bringing you the latest gadgets and technology. The A1 also includes Sky Genie, which gives you automatic cinematic movements with one tap. You can create shots like arc shot, spiral ascent, and oval orbit without manually performing complicated movements. Deep Track adds subject tracking, allowing the drone to follow your target while you focus on the experience instead of constantly controlling the camera. Another creator-friendly feature is auto edit. The drone can analyze your footage, find the best moments, sync clips with music, and create ready-to-share videos quickly. For people who love making content but hate spending hours editing, this could be a huge time saver. Safety is also a major focus. The Antigravity A1 uses omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with 360 sensing and vision systems to understand its surroundings. There is also navigation assist, automatic return to home, and improved landing protection. The drone even has replaceable lenses, which means a damaged lens does not automatically mean an expensive repair. The transmission system is called OmniLink 360, and it can provide a live 360 view directly to the goggles with low latency. The range can reach up to 10 kilometers under ideal FCC testing conditions, giving pilots more freedom to explore. There is also payload detection to prevent unsafe modifications and keep the drone operating properly. Battery life is another important point. The standard flight battery provides around 24 minutes, while the high-capacity battery can extend flights up to 39 minutes. For a drone focused on immersive 360 capture, longer flight time matters because you are not constantly landing and changing setups. Antigravity also offers accessories like replacement lens kits, charging hubs, landing pads, corrective lenses for the goggles, fast chargers, extra batteries, and propeller guards. These additions make the A1 feel like a complete ecosystem instead of just a drone. After looking at everything, the Antigravity A1 feels like a glimpse into where drone technology is going. It is not trying to compete by simply having a bigger camera or faster motors. Its entire purpose is to change the way we think about flying and filming. The ability to capture everything and decide later is something creators have wanted for years. Of course, real-world testing will decide how well it performs in different weather, wind conditions, and everyday situations. But from the technology, design, and features we have seen, the Antigravity A1 is easily one of the most unique drones announced recently. It feels like a product made for people who want creativity without limits. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more futuristic gadgets and honest tech breakdowns, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.